everyone, welcome to my Read 82 online course on Canvas. I wanted to make this video to show you how to navigate and find things on this course. So when I designed this course on Canvas, my goal was to keep things simple and to make it user-friendly for my students. So I want to show you around a little bit so you can find assignments and resources very easily. So we're going to start with these tabs or shortcuts on the left-hand side of your Canvas page here, or at least the home page that I created. These are the ones that you will typically use. I also created buttons down here, and these buttons are also shortcuts. A couple of the buttons, like syllabus and modules, are a couple of these sections here are also repeated as buttons. So if you click on syllabus or modules down here, or if you click syllabus and modules on the side, they are both going to take you to the same page. Now, you'll see that I have other buttons down here, course schedules, student resources, and SLAs, that are not on the left-hand tab. So because they're not on here, this is the only way to access the course schedule, student resources, and the SLA. And then the same thing with a couple of these other stuff, like if you want to look at your grades, or if you want to call Student Technology Help Desk or email them, these are the places that you can, on the left side, you can find these sections over here. Alright, so let's go ahead, and now that we know where to find our shortcuts and where to go, whether it's using the tabs on the side here or the buttons, let's talk about the home page. So the home page here just gives you the course description, and it also provides important information on how you can contact me. So it provides my email address, also my phone number. Even though I'm working remotely, my phone number still works. So if you call, leave a message, and if I'm online, I will hear my phone ring and I will be able to pick up the call. So don't hesitate to use my phone number to give me a call. On the home page also highlights student hours, and this is really important because student hours are times that are designated for you, meaning that these are times that I would typically be in my office available for you to come in to talk to me about assignments or any other things that you're concerned about. So because we're working remotely, these are my student hours that I will be available to you. And during these student hours, I will have a chat box that is open. So anytime you go into the chat box and you type up a question, during this time, I should be available to respond to you. And so if you go back up to the shortcut, you'll see that there is a link here where it says chat. And if you click on this, the chat box will open and you will see if I'm online or not. So if you click on chat, I don't know if this is going to show up because I'm on the student view. Let's see here. So you'll see right here it says one person online. And this person would be me. So you can just start typing in your questions down here, and then it will alert me to let me know that you are trying to contact me. Okay, so let's go back to the home page. So again, the home page here, you have announcements. Anytime I put out announcements, you will see it right on the top. And then you will have the shortcuts, the buttons here, or the side tab. Important contact information, ways to reach me, and the student hours and how you can reach me and get immediate responses during these hours and days. Okay? All right. So let's look into the buttons and see what these pages look like. So for this first week, one of the things you need to do is you will need to take a Canvas/syllabus quiz. So that all that means is you need to familiarize yourself with the Canvas course, read through this home page, and then you also need to read through the syllabus. I will go over the syllabus with you on the second week, but on the first week, I want you to take some time to read through it yourself. And so when you click on Syllabus, you come to this page here, and it gives you some general information about the course syllabus. But then you also see these tabs down here that gives you additional information. So click on these tabs and you will see all the information about textbook, how you're going to get graded in this class, what are some of my coursework policy, I give extra credit in class, and if I do, what are they, and then what are some expectations that I have for you in the online learning environment. So make sure you read through these items here, because this will be on your quiz. In the course summary, you will see a running list of assignments. However, I don't want you to depend on the course summary for your assignments. I want you to use the modules for your weekly assignment. The course summary is a nice overview of all the assignments, but you will only see it as it's being published. So again, I would not rely on the course summary to know what you need to do. I would go to the modules because it is organized in a way that helps you go through the assignments each week and you know exactly what you're supposed to do, okay? So anyway, here is the page for your syllabus. Make sure you take the time to read that before you take the quiz, okay? Let's go back to the home page now. Let's look at the course schedule. So in order for you to currently see this course schedule, I need to leave the student view because you're not able to see it at this time if you were the student. And so you click on course schedule, and this will show you what we are covering each week and the articles that we will be using each week, okay? And so I only publish, or I only post up units at a time. So Unit 1 takes us from the first week of class all the way through October 5th. And this just kind of gives you an idea of what we're doing in class each week, okay? A big picture, that is. Now, if we go to the next button is modules. This is probably the most important button and the one that you will use the most, okay? Modules is just a way to organize all of your assignments, your weekly assignments. So when you click on modules, you are going to see week 1 and the week of August 31st. Every week, you will have an overview. And when you click on the overview, it tells you what we're learning in class for that week. Any announcements or anything else I have to tell you, I'll put it in here. And then it gives you all the assignments that you need to do for the week. So you'll notice it gives you estimated time to complete it, how much the assignment is worth. And so you'll see that this assignment has several parts to it. So it's important that you follow these assignments, and you can use this as a checklist to kind of help you gauge how much time you need. Some students use this to help them manage their time. They may notice, oh, if it's going to be about 2 hours, I probably need to start earlier. So this overview is just a helpful way for you to plan your week, okay? So I'm going to go back now, and I'm going to go back to the module, and then this is where your assignment starts. You click on the course introduction assignments. Here you have all the instructions and then all the links that you need to complete the assignment. Sometimes the links take you outside of Canvas, and sometimes it takes you to a Word document. So these links here will take you to the assignment so you can complete it. Pay attention to your due dates and the time that it is due. Pay attention to how you can submit the assignment. Read your instructions very carefully. Anytime you have questions, just email me for clarification, okay? All right, so let's go back to the home page. So that was modules. When you're looking for your weekly assignment, click on modules. That's where you find the work that you need to do. I also have a tab for student resources. This is if you're asking who do I call about certain things. I have admissions, financial aid, DSPS, student health services. So I have all these numbers ready and available for you if you need these resources. And then finally, the last one is the SLA, okay, Supplemental Learning Activity. Some of you may have never heard of an SLA before. Some of you may have. I'm going to reserve SLA instructions for another time because there's a lot of information that goes with SLAs. So we will go over this, but if for those that are familiar with it, this is your SLA page. It gives you the dates that you have to complete each SLA. We have to do 3 for our class. And when you click on SLA 1, it takes you to the page for SLA 1 with the packet that you have to that you need to complete. You can go back to the instruction page, so it tells you how to set up a time to meet with the tutor. Okay, so we're going to talk about more of that about that another time. And this pretty much sums up how all the ways that the way that the course is designed and how you can find certain things on this course. So my goal again is to make this user-friendly and simple for you. You know, it takes a little practice to just sort of click and navigate and find things, but I hope that I was able to set it up in a way in which you are able to find things quickly and efficiently. Okay? All right. Thank you.